Snoring. We all know someone who snores. In fact, it's estimated that 160 million people in North America are affected by snoring. That's a lot of missed out Z's. But here's a story about snoring and how it changed one family's life for the better. Meet Behrooz.
Hey, I'm Behrooz.
He's the CEO of Smart Nora, a product that stops you from snoring. The idea spreaded from the mind of a snorer, this guy, Ali Hariri, who also happens to be Behrouz's dad and a passionately driven engineer.
Our dad was tired of being tired and keeping our mom up at night. So one day he said, okay guys, I have this idea.
They wanted to create a non-invasive anti-snoring device that anyone could use.
When our father explained the idea to us, we first thought it sounds too good to be true. But after a lot of testing and experiments, we said, we're in.
The dream team was made. They began designing and testing the product, model after model, some good, some bad. Then they landed on this. It's a microphone that detects when we snore. But there are two other pieces to this anti-snoring trio. So how does a pillow stop us from snoring? To answer that, you have to know why we snore in the first place.
The reason we snore is rather simple. Our airway is usually standing up and gravity is working down. But when we sleep, gravity is working sideways. So what happens is our airways collapse slightly, and when you struggle to breathe through it, that vibration is what we hear as snoring.
The solution? Find a way for those muscles to contract or tighten. The microphone listens for your snoring and signals the pump to start inflating the insert in your pillow, ultimately reducing the vibration and therefore the noise. This company is taking off, and ever since they started, Behrooz and his team have helped tens of thousands of people around the world get a good night's sleep.
It's nice to know not only we've reduced the noise in our own bedrooms, but also in tens of thousands of other bedrooms.
Who knew that a lack of sleep could inspire a dream?